Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna to how talk about a powerful trick, one powerful trick through which you can easily gain a subscriber or views, lot of subscriber and views. Only you have to work hard. You have to effort. You have to give your effort. You have to give a time to do this. So guys, if you do daily, at 100%, this will work. So guys, let's begin. It's a simple trick. Only you need to choose a video which has less views, like 94 views, 200 views, 300 views. Like this video, choose like this kind of videos, and just go in a comment box and request them to subscribe my channel, and I will also subscribe your channel, request them, and they will accept your request, and they will subscribe your channel, and you have to subscribe their channel. And like this, you will gain a subscriber very easily. This trick I am saying for beginner. If you are a beginner YouTuber, you can apply this trick. Even I am a beginner YouTuber and I have applied this trick. So I shared with you guys so you can apply and you can promote your channel very easily. So guys, I have uploaded many videos on this topic, how to increase views, subscriber. Even even you can download Android app through which you can easily promote your channel very quickly. You can gain a good subscriber. I've already made this kind of videos. If you want to watch, I link I've given in description, so you can visit there, and from there you can easily watch my videos. So guys, please follow my step. This is a very powerful trick. Even if you comment in a big YouTubers, like a popular YouTuber, they will see your comment but they will not subscribe your channel because they don't have to see your channel, because they are already nice growth, and so they will not see. So guys, if you comment in a less popular YouTuber, like they have like beginners, they will definitely approve, they will definitely subscribe your channels, and they will watch your videos, and if they like, they will comment and they will like. So guys, this is a most powerful trick, so I recommend you guys, only for beginners, so apply this formula. So guys, hope you enjoy. So guys, if you like this video, please comment in the comment box. If you request to subscribe channel, then I will subscribe your channel if you comment in the comment box. And so guys, today's so guys, I'm going. So guys, bye.